The Adria Altea is a stylish and lightweight caravan, perfect for families or couples who want comfort and adventure on the road. It's easy to tow thanks to its smart design and lightweight build. Inside, it feels bright and welcoming with big windows, cozy seating, and modern LED lights. You get a well-equipped kitchen with a hob, oven, sink, and fridge, everything you need to cook on the go. There are several layouts available, including models with bunk beds for kids or extra guests. Storage is clever and spacious, with lockers, wardrobes, and even outdoor access points. The bathroom is compact but practical, with handy fold-away features. For comfort all year round, the Altea offers great heating options, including optional underfloor heating, so you're warm even in colder months. It's built with strong materials, looks sleek and modern, and even has pet-friendly options like a dog mat. The Air Opus is a smart, fun camper that makes setting up camp super easy. With just the push of a button, it inflates itself in under 2 minutes. No poles, no stress. It starts as a compact trailer and opens into a spacious, comfy home on wheels, perfect for up to 6 people, even more with an extra tent. Inside, you'll find two cozy double beds, a stylish lounge that turns into another bed, soft memory foam mattresses, and lots of light thanks to big skylights and LED lighting. It's built tough too, with off-road tires and strong suspension, so you can take it almost anywhere. The kitchen slides out and includes a stove, sink, worktop, and even an option for a fridge. It has power, water tanks, heating, and a shower setup. Everything you need for off-grid adventures. There's even a portable toilet included. The Alicanto Grande Lisbon is a top-of-the-line caravan made for couples or small families who want luxury and comfort on every trip. It's spacious, bright, and packed with smart features that make life on the road feel like a high-end hotel stay. Inside, there's a big fixed island bed at the back, easy to get in and out of from both sides. In the middle, you'll find a full-size bathroom with a proper shower, great for long stays. The lounge area at the front has huge windows and comfy seating, which can also be turned into another double bed if needed. Cooking is a breeze with its stylish L-shaped kitchen, complete with a big fridge freezer, oven, microwave, and even a wine rack. It's warm and cozy year-round thanks to Alde central heating and top-grade insulation. You'll also find smart extras like wireless charging, USB ports, built-in lights, and loads of storage. The Bearwatch electric fence is your lightweight, portable safety net when camping in bear country. It creates a protective barrier around your tent or camp to keep curious bears away, so you can sleep peacefully, even in the wild. Designed in Canada, Bearwatch is super easy to set up. Just place the light carbon poles, snap the clips into place, connect the power unit and grounding rod, and you're good to go. It runs on 8 AA batteries or a USB to 12-volt power adapter. Once switched on, it delivers a low zero point 0.5 joule shock every few seconds. Not harmful, but enough to scare off wildlife. Weighing only about 1.4 kilograms, Bearwatch is easy to carry in a backpack or motorcycle pannier. It's a favorite among hikers, bikers, and solo adventurers. One camper said they finally got a full night's sleep, calling it their personal electric fortress. The 2024 Artemis 17S1 by Bolt Custom Coaches is a powerful, luxury motorhome that combines the muscle of a semi-truck with the comfort of a high-end tiny home. Built on a rugged truck chassis like Volvo or Freightliner, it packs up to 600 horsepower, giving you confidence to cruise highways or tackle tough terrain with ease. Though it's more compact than bigger RVs, the Artemis is packed with everything you need. Inside, you'll find a roomy slide-out lounge, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a cozy bed above the cab. There's also smart lighting, remote entry, and generous storage for all your gear. What really sets the Artemis apart is its solid, no-wood construction. It uses steel and moisture-resistant materials that last for years. Plus, The Conquer Falcon Expedition 700 is a tough, go anywhere off road trailer built for real adventure. Whether you're camping in the mountains, deserts, or deep in the forest, this trailer is designed to handle it all while keeping you comfortable along the way. Its strong dual axle off road chassis and airbag suspension give you a smooth, steady ride even on rocky, uneven paths. With a 300 millimeters lift and aerodynamic design, it's perfect for serious overlanding. The Zempire Pro Series is the ultimate inflatable tent for campers who want comfort, space, and super fast setup. Whether you're a couple, family, or a group of friends, this tent makes outdoor living feel like home. One of the best things? You can set it up in just a few minutes. Instead of poles, you use a pump to inflate the frame, easy and stress-free. Inside, it's tall enough to stand up in and has separate bedrooms, which you can adjust using zip-out walls. That means you can create private sleeping zones or one big open space depending on your trip. The tent is packed with smart features: big windows for light, mesh panels for airflow, and loads of built-in storage to keep things tidy. It even has glow-in-the-dark zippers for late-night convenience. It's also super durable and waterproof. With strong ripstop fabric and tough zippers, it handles wild weather and stays dry in heavy rain. Yes, it's a bit bulky to carry, but once you're set up, it's worth every bit of space. If you love camping but want something more comfortable and easy to use, the Zempire Pro is a game changer.